Yo, what's up everybody? It's yo boy JRE, and right now we're gonna check out BamBam Sour and Sweet. I don't know how I missed this one. Yo, BamBam, what's poppin'? Mahal kita. It means I love you in Tagalog. I'm just saying it to everyone, not just BamBam, not just BamBam. Mahal kita. This is actually King Kenny Slay's merch. You know, remember King Kenny Slay? Sour and sweet. What does that mean? Like bittersweet kind of thing? Like you're both sour and sweet. Good and evil? Does that make sense? I feel like BamBam as an artist has been killing it, to be very honest. Honestly, have been killing. I'm very proud of you. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, BamBam, Sour, Sweet. Captions on. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Damn, off the bat. Ooh, look at the little text just floating. Sorry, I'm looking at him, but I just saw the text just floated. I was sick. What the hell? Every night at K-Town. Oh, it is LA. La Brea. Hey, he got that green shit. Okay. Okay. Oh, what? Who? Yeah, hide your true emotion. Oh, yeah. Opposites, right? Let's go, Bam. What you trying to say? What you trying to say? You got a dark side? You got a dark side? You got a dark side?
How you know? How you know?
Show
I'm
that,
not big.
I'm sorry, I apologize. Anyways. I feel like I'm never gonna let that go. Hey, hey. I really like it. Ooh. You don't know. Is that Grease? Ooh. This is bounce type of song. Like you got bounce to it. Ooh, who taking? Oh, you taking pictures. Evidence. Wait. Sour than it's sweet. Ooh. Oh, it's you. Are you the good guy and bad guy? I mean, obviously good and bad, but damn, wait. You created it? You're making the story and you created what? Damn. That shot right here with the white and then black inside. Oof. Fuego. Hey. 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 Hey man. Nope. Pause, but yo, BamBam got some lips. I've always knew this, but you know, I always talk about lips. I talk about asses and lips. Look at them lips. Interesting. Ooh. It's a nice shot there too. A little blur, of course. Ah, this is in Greece, right? Look at the last names. I don't know. You guys correct me in the comments down below. Let's go, BamBam. BamBam really do be. I don't know. God 7 is always gonna be one of the faves for sure. But each one of the members' solos have been really hitters. Like that just shows you how talented that crew was together as well. But as individuals as well, beautiful. The one creating the crimes and solving it. He's Dextering that shit. Be more than what you see. Literally like a retro vibe, upbeat. I mean, everybody's doing this wave too, and the way he does it with his voice, he's killing it, bro. You're killing it, bro. I'm very proud. It's crazy to see like the young BamBam to grow up to be like this freaking icon. Is dope to see. Comments down below what you guys think of Sour and Sweet. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. I'll be live later today at 5 p.m. or 5:30 PST. Check out Boys Planet episode 9, the recent one. I've been trying to take out peak time, but I haven't had the time. Personal life gets in the way sometimes, and it just is what it is. Hope you guys understand. To those who follow me on Twitch and watch me, be sure to follow the Discord, link in the description. And yeah, subscribe to Dre Day, new channel out there. Go check it out. Just posted a new video. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.